Hi, I'm Yang, application engineer from Chinese 3D. In this video, I'd like to share some tips for our wireless metrology laser 3D scanner, Freescan UE Pro 2. The integrated wireless mode allows freedom of movement without compromising scanning performance. However, sometimes checking the results on the computer screen can be a little tricky, so using remote control software is recommended. By casting the computer desktop to your phone, you can easily view the software interface and check the scanning process. Moreover, we understand that some customers prefer a seamless scanning experience instead of using a mouse during the scanning process. The Freescan UE Pro 2 is designed for this workflow. With its 6 control buttons at the rear, customers can easily set the scan parameters and switch modes. After creating a project, you can hold the left button to switch to photogrammetry mode, then press the scan button to start capturing high-accuracy global markers. After finish capturing, hold the scan button to optimize global markers. Then hold the left button again to switch to scan mesh mode. During mesh scanning, you can adjust brightness with a single click on the left and right button, and zoom in and out with the up and down buttons. Switching different object modes is also possible. Hold the right button to switch to reflective mode. For small part scanning, just hold the upper button to enlarge the local view. The new Freescan software also supports creating and saving scan templates, which is a powerful feature that can be used for manufacturing quality control patch inspection. The templates not only support saving scan and mesh parameters, but also can save coordinates, aligned global markers, and a cutting plane. With the scan templates, inspection can follow the same standard, saving time and ensuring consistency on the production line. For more scanning tips, please follow our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.